My name's Nikki Lintott, this is my mum Pam.
Hello.
And we're both owners of the quilt room.
Well, we knew there was a lot of talent out there, so the Jelly Roll Challenge was the obvious thing to do. We wanted to find where the talent was. So we set up the Jelly Roll Challenge and we're inundated with amazing quilts, and the judging was extremely difficult. The 12 winning quilts are superb. The winner is a wonderful quilt. When Moda came up with the idea of jelly rolls, it was inspirational. They are beautifully packaged, and we always tell people that the most difficult thing about jelly rolls quilts is actually untying the ribbon. All the 12 winners received jelly rolls and copies of the book. The publication date is October, and we're just really looking forward to seeing it.
Competition was good because it was a challenge. The restriction of one jelly roll and up to 3 yards of fabric was quite difficult actually to come up with a design that we were happy with.
The competition was very exciting. I thought it was a great idea to have the quilts and then to end up in the book. I thought that was a really lovely idea.
I call my quilt Mayflowers. It's a checkerboard design, so if you imagine the black squares in the checkerboard, they're just a stripe with 5 jelly roll strips, and then the alternate squares have an appliqued flower in the middle of them.
Well, the design is called 30s Pick and Mix, which is because the materials is 30s reproduction fabric, which I quite like. I decided to use that, but I wanted to make it like flowers, so it had like a V shape, so I matched up the different colours.
My quilt is called Hidden Stars. The reason it was called Hidden Stars was it was made from blocks. When the blocks are actually joined together, you then find stars within the quilt.
My quilt is called Knickerbocker Glory. I wanted a simple design that showed off the fabrics to their advantage.
Thank you very much for coming today, and I will not be very long at all. We do have 3 main prizes to give away today. So, in 3rd place with her lovely quilt birthday gift and receiving a cheque for £150 is Annie Harris. And in 2nd place with her fantastic quilt Beach Hut Parade is Jenny Hutchinson. Well done, Jenny. Last but not least, in 1st place, receiving a cheque for £1,200 and a fantastic brand new Singer sewing machine with her quilt Be My Valentine is Helen Allison. Well done, Helen. It's fantastic, isn't it?
This is the quilt that I made for the Jelly Roll competition, and it's called Beach Hut Parade, and it's a repeating block of beach huts, and you can put the strips together as you like going downwards and put the window in where you want to, or you can put the stripes going across, so there's quite a lot of freedom within the set block.
The design itself, the idea for the design came from the closing date of the competition, closing date being February the 14th, so it seemed appropriate to come up with something that had a connection with that. Hearts therefore had to be sort of an integral part of the design. This particular quilt therefore is called Be My Valentine. Thrilled to bits to have won, and delighted really, somewhat surprised but delighted.